So how can you stop the activity on an Apple Watch? Let's get started. Let me explain how it works. If you're new on this channel on Foxtecc, subscribe, and that way you're not gonna miss anything important. So you have a few things you can do. Like if you want to stop the activity in the sense that you're doing a workout, you have some ways to pause it, right? So you can, for example, just swipe left, click on pause, right? And then unpause it, or just stop it with the X icon, right? That's like a one way of looking at it, and the way to stop the activity, right? So there are other ways you might be looking at it as well. For example, the Rings application or the fitness app is tracking your calories and exercise minutes at all times of the day. And if you don't like this, you can just hold down on the icon and click the X, right? Like literally delete the app from your Apple Watch and it will stop tracking it altogether. That might be one thing. Also, perhaps you don't have to delete it completely, but you might just want to stop getting the notifications for it. For that, you can open up your iPhone Watch app and find the activity app right here. And you can, for example, disable the notifications fully, or just stop the reminders or daily coaching and all the other things in here. You can disable them if you don't like it. And you can also just go one level deeper by going to the privacy section of your watch app and, for example, disabling these sensors as well. Like you can stop the, all of the other things like the heart rate monitor and all of the other sensors completely. And that way your Apple Watch cannot even track your activity or any other thing, right? So if you want to do this, you have these options, but I personally keep it turned on. You don't have to open up the app if you don't want it, or you can stop the notifications. But having the activity tracked is pretty good for me overall. So you can do whatever you like, but I just wanted to show you how it works. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for upcoming explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.